English conversation at the cafe.
Hi, Mark. Sorry I'm a little late.
I got held up in traffic.
No worries. I just got here myself.
Did you find the place okay?
Yeah, it took me a while, but I figured it out.
Nice. Glad you got it.
This cafe is nice. It smells good.
Yes, I come here often.
The coffee is great.
What are you going to order?
I think I'll get a latte.
How about you?
I want a cappuccino and a piece of cake.
Let's order at the counter.
Okay. Ordering at the counter.
Hello. What can I get for you?
Hi, want a cappuccino and a piece of cake, please?
Would you like anything else?
Oh, one more latte, please.
Sure. That will be $5.
Here you go.
Thank you. Please wait a moment.
Sitting and small talk. I'm really tired today.
Me too. Work was very busy.
That's why I need coffee.
Coffee helps a lot.
Do you come here after work often?
Yes, it's quiet and relaxing.
I like the music here.
Me too. It makes me feel calm.
Talking about life and plans. How is your job these days?
It's good, but a little stressful.
I understand. My job is the same.
Do you have any plans this weekend?
Maybe I'll meet my family.
How about you?
I want to rest and watch movies.
That sounds nice.
Drinks arrive.
Wow, this coffee smells amazing. How does your cappuccino taste?
Let's try it. It's really good.
How is the cake?
It's delicious.
Do you like the cake?
Yes, of course. I always get cake when I'm at a coffee shop.
Thank you for inviting me.
Anytime. I am happy we met today.
Let's come here again.
Sure. Next time, it's my treat.
Okay, see you soon.
See you, Anna.
Thank you for watching.